Video is out about the bar TV, and if you do have any issues, there's two things that I'm going to show you. And first thing I'm going to do is hop up here. All right, so if for some reason you're not getting audio, sometimes these cable boxes tend to be a pain. I want you to turn this switch off, count to 10 and turn it back on, and then check again and see if you have audio coming. Right now we do have audio, and we're hearing it outside and in the social room. And the second issue is if you go to the control here, and you have to make sure that you really look at the lights. If you switch this dial too fast, occasionally it can actually skip and you won't hear it. But everything is working there. The jukebox is working, the TV sound is working, and the mic is working, and I'll be checking the band.